Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Yo, welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, this is my 1 month update after having shoulder surgery. Now, this is actually my second shoulder surgery because I had my right shoulder done about 10 years ago, and a month ago I had to do the same damn procedure to my left shoulder. So I actually went to the doctor a couple weeks ago to get like a 2-week follow-up, and I don't know if I did a video on it or not because I do a lot of shit, but basically the doc said I was doing pretty good, right? Still had a lot of bruising right around here. But he was saying as far as like my mobility and everything, like I'm progressing right where I need to be. And so now, 2 weeks after that, like I said, it's been a month. And right now, I'm still impatient as hell. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, I wish I could get back to, being able to move a lot more. I really wish I could get back to doing weights and stuff like that. But I feel right now that I'm ways away from getting back to like the weights and everything. So just showing right now, like, I guess I'll show you. So far as like, let me show you. Right. So just showing like where I'm at with flexibility. You see my arm going here. Like, this is how high I can do it right now. Right here. Okay, so you see from the side, like that's it. Right now, it's still sore as hell right here. It's like I can't really go too far. If I push it, I can go here, right? So to put it in comparison, my right arm, I can go here, right? My left arm, ain't this a bitch, right? Right there. So even going out to the side, right? So these are like the exercises, some of the stuff I do. So it's basically just about loosening the arm up, getting it back, moving it again, right? After all, having that procedure done. So even going out to the side, as you can see, I can go up pretty good, right? To the side. Like, that's impressive. Like, I'm happy with this shit. Because, no joke, 2 weeks ago, I could only get here. 2 weeks ago. Now, I'm here with it, which is pretty cool. One thing that I really was struggling with the last few weeks, and like literally like the last week, I just started getting better at this. And this is taking my hand and putting it behind my back, right? So like last week, I could only go like here last week. So now with some help, and this hurts, but with some help, I can go here, right? And I can have it here like that. Now, you might be watching that like, nigga, that ain't shit. But it is, considering I couldn't even do this like a week ago. Like, I couldn't. Because it was very, very, very painful. Alright, so let me come back. Alright, so like I said, I'm progressing, pretty decent. Now, here's the thing. I had did a video series when I got my right shoulder done 10 years ago. And the crazy thing is, I went back and watched one of the videos. And one of the videos was like, 6 days after my surgery. And I remember in that video, I watched in that video, I was super, stiff. I was in a lot of pain. And I remember in that video, I was saying that I'm probably 6 to 8 weeks away from getting back to like doing light weight training. And like a couple weeks ago, after I had the surgery done, I'm like, yo, I don't remember it being this painful. I don't remember. So for whatever reason, I don't know what the hell was going on in my mind. I thought I would be able to be back to working out like a month later, which I don't know why I was thinking that shit, but I was. I'm thinking like, oh, just like a month, I'll be back at it. But I feel like I did back then. Like, I feel like as of today, I'm probably about another 4 weeks away from being able to lift light dumbbells, like lightweight. Hopefully, I'm like 4 weeks away. I'm pretty sure, like, 6 weeks, I really feel like I should be back to lifting weights. You know what I'm saying? Like very light, hopefully. 4 weeks, if I'm lucky, you know what I'm saying? I'm aiming for like 4 weeks to like, you know what I'm saying, start doing more shit. But one thing that I gotta work on is being patient. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously I wasn't patient 10 years ago because I thought I was gonna be doing something. But I really ain't patient right now. Like I wish, like the pain, like I said, I'm still in pain, right? Nowhere near as much pain as I was 2 weeks ago. But I still got pain, like I said. When I lift the arm here, oh, I feel the shit. Yeah, I feel that shit, right? Putting it behind my back, crazy, right? So I'm going to shoot another video actually showing the rehab exercises that I'm doing to actually help with my flexibility and, you know, getting back to where I was as far as moving my arm. I'll do a video showing, like I said, the exercises I do. But all I do as far as my workouts, I go down there pretty much every day. I'm still working out, but obviously I'm just doing like cardio shit, right? So I'll go down there. The first 15 minutes is just doing those exercises, my rehab exercises. And then I'll do like a little cardio, like a little circuit where I'll do like air squats, you know, some like some leg raises, some like leg curls, reverse leg curls, things like that. Also been walking on the stepper, you know what I'm saying, like the little mini treadmill thing. I've been doing that like 4 to 5 days a week, you know, for 40 to 60 minutes. And I like doing that because, like I said, it makes it feel like I'm still getting you know, I'm still moving. I'm still being active. So, you know, because I look at it like, just because you have, you know, a procedure done, if other parts of your body still working fine, why not use them, right? So I'm still getting a nice little sweat, a baby sweat, you know, every day. But it's nowhere near what I want to be doing. It's nowhere near what I was doing. But I got to just keep telling myself, I'll get there. I'll get there. Because every day I do feel like, you know, I'm getting a little bit more range of motion. The pain is going a little bit, you know, the pain is getting less and less, right? So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. 1 month, you know, after having arthroscopic surgery on my left shoulder. Like I said, he actually took out some bone spurs, took out a little piece of my collarbone, all that shit. So he said on the x-rays and everything was looking good. He showed me what he did. He said I'm progressing well. And so I got to just go through the motion. I got to just go through the process. But more than anything, I just got to figure out a way to be more patient and realize that it might take me another month or two before I can get back to lifting weights again. I got to come to that realization, right? Once I do that, I'll be good to go. Anyway, if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with my shoulder rehab and my fitness return, so to speak, you already know what to do. Subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you in the next video.